getting ready to put together our gazebo. We've got everything laid out in numerical order, and then we put our screws in bowls, and we've labeled the numbers because everything is labeled. Labeled the bowls too, just in case we got anything mixed up. But that way it'll hold the screws as we're moving along in the process. I have Peanut set up in the kitchen on his perch so that he can watch us do our work. So we moved all the chairs off the back porch. We got the old rug gone. Got to clean this part off. There's a lot of parts and pieces. We got a whole workstation going out here. I was telling everybody we got a whole workstation going out here. Ready?
Hey. So this is the side panels for the gazebo itself right now. Gotta make sure all these bolts are secure. So to be able to hold the poles or the post up. It's tedious, but it should be worth it though.
Here we are, we've got the frame built. It got so hot my phone went into emergency mode and I had to carry it inside. The frame. So hot. We only had 2 people, but we used 3 different ladders. Got the very top on. Got the shell up. Got some of the roof up. It's about 8:30. We work most of the day. We're shutting it down. We got a partial roof on there. Got the roof on, now we've got to put the holders on top and adjust it. Then we have a screen to put on. It's got a vent up at the top to let the hot air out. We've got the roof on. Now we got to put the screens on and kind of shore up the deck some. So as we were working on the gazebo, we found one soft spot in the wood, and I did some research and found that we could use these products to harden it back up and fill it in. So I ran to Home Depot and grabbed these products. It's epoxy, JB Well Quick Wood, and then plastic wood. So I filled the hole, and then I use these products, and then I'll go back over it, and then I'll stain that one little portion. But definitely wanted to put everything on a firm foundation for the gazebo. The gazebo did not come with gutters, and we soon realized we needed them, so we come up with a way to make gutters or fashion gutters out of some metal. We have a separate video on that. Well, the whole process took about a month. We found this gazebo. It's a Paragon outdoor. They call it a room. We are not sponsored. We paid for this ourselves, but thus far we love it. We've added a TV, we've added furniture, we've added curtains and a rug, and it truly feels like an outdoor room. And we're looking forward to hanging out with it in the fall as well. This is actually a futon. We painted it to match our outdoor furniture and put a waterproof cover on it, and so we can actually lay down out here. We love it. We're in the gazebo. It is fully complete now. Altogether, it maybe took about 2 weekends to complete the actual build of the gazebo, and then a few more weekends to add the fan, the TV, the furniture, and all the things that went along with it. I will say that we absolutely love it. We use it most nights. The only con that I have with it is that it didn't come with gutters, and it didn't offer gutters on their website either, so we had to kind of manufacture some gutters. We have a separate video on that, but altogether, total with the build, adding the furniture, adding the curtains, the TV, and everything in it, took about a month in all to get it completely the way we wanted it. We love it. As with all of our videos, our intention is to help anyone out there, and hopefully they learn something from it and make their build a little bit easier. But thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and